Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to give you the quick guide how to combine or merge cell in Excel. How to merge two cell in Excel or about two cell or multiple cell you can merge in Excel. So without time wasting, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So without time, let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Excel and I have the demo data here. And in order to merge cell in Excel, there is a way you can do this. You have to take care some situation if you merging cells or columns in Excel. So I'm going to show you. So if I this is a three column, you can see I have the is like title. So I want to merge it in middle. I have three column here, so I just select the all column that I want to merge. I have select one two three columns, so I want to combine this column or cell. Okay, so you have to go in home and find the merge and central, click on this arrow, and you have to simply merge. You can merge, okay, but you want to merge and center, click on this. Okay, that will be come here, it will be merge, all cell will merge, and it will it will merge into one cell. Okay, so you can see there are three uh, four column has been merged. If you want to unmerge cell, you can unmerge cell. How to unmerge cell? Simply go here and click on unmerge, that will be unmerged automatically. So I'm going to combine again, combine this cell again with center. Okay, but guys, you have to take care of some condition. If you have data in three, if I have data, I have three cell or column, but I have data in every cell. Okay, in this case I have data in one cell only, so I combine it in four cell. But in this case I have data in all cell. Okay, so if I'm going to it's combine it, if I'm going to merge it, if I merge it, I will show you the error. One pop-up will become that if you merge this cell, that data will be deleted. Only this data, left side data, will be merged. Okay, both both data will be deleted. If I click on OK, you can see the left side, your left side data only appear here, and rest of both data has been deleted now. So you can lose your data if you merge a cell who has you know contain or data or number. Okay, I just, so I'm going to unmerge it. Okay, so I have to undo it because it is, okay, I'm going to undo it. Control Z, you can click Control Z to undo it. In this case also, if this cell have data, it will be not merge, it will be merged but data will be loose. You can see only one data appear here, and data will be deleted, rest data will be deleted. So that is how you can merge or combine cell in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for